Good morning guys, I am Darlene Reyes, currently enrolled in BS Entrepreneurship Section 1A. Today we have 3 questions and I will share my answer to you. Number 1 question. What new ideas about mathematics did you learn? Mathematics is a fundamental human activity, a way of making sense of a world. It is not just about numbers, it is much more than that. The concepts of math can relate to numbers, symbols, visual patterns, and anything. Question number 2. What is it about mathematics that might have changed your thoughts about it? Life is a math equation, and to gain the most, we should convert the negatives to positives. I have noticed that I have mindset that when I hear the word mathematics, I always say that it is one of the most difficult subjects. Question number 3. What is most useful about mathematics for humankind? Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevents chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or spatial thinking, critical thinking, problem-solving ability, and even effective communication skills. That's all guys, and thank you. Keep safe guys.
Ikaw lang, ikaw